Welcome to this quick walkthrough for claiming your BTCBULL tokens via the website. The token claim period starts at 2 p.m. UTC on July 7th. Before we begin, let's quickly talk about gas fees. These are the costs required on a blockchain to process and validate any transaction, meaning you will have to pay a gas fee when claiming your BTCBULL tokens. Due to the size of the token claim and expected demand, we anticipate a significant spike in gas fees. Because BTCBULL is launching on Ethereum, you will need to pay the claim gas fee using ETH. So, to claim your tokens, make sure you have at least $20 worth of ETH in your wallet to cover this fee. You can easily buy ETH directly in Best Wallet or deposit it from an external wallet or exchange. Just go to your wallet's main screen and tap Buy or Receive to get started. It's also important to note that if you have staked BTCBULL, these tokens are locked for a full 7 days once the claim period goes live. This means you won't be able to claim your staked tokens on July 7th. Please don't try to claim on this day, as your transaction won't go through, and you may incur a gas fee. Instead, you can claim your staked tokens at 2 p.m. UTC on July 14th by going to the staking dashboard on the BTCBULL website and withdrawing your tokens. Now that you're ready, let's walk through the steps to claim your BTCBULL tokens. First, go to the official BTCBULL website. The link is in the description. Be careful of phishing websites that look like the official site and only use links you can trust from Best Wallet channels. Next, click Connect Wallet. A pop-up will appear asking you to choose your wallet provider. Once done, open your wallet app, select the wallet you used to buy your BTCBULL tokens, and tap the scan icon. Scan the QR code to connect. You may have to approve the connection in your wallet. Once you do, your claimable BTCBULL balance will appear on the website. You'll see two options: claim, and stake. Claim will send your new tokens directly to your wallet. Claim and stake will immediately stake your claim tokens for 7 days and earn rewards during that period. Choose the option that works best for you. When prompted, approve the transaction in your wallet. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient and don't submit another claim transaction. If you'd like, you can check the status of your transaction on Etherscan. Once your claim is successful, your BTCBULL tokens will appear in your wallet automatically. If you don't see them right away, you might need to manually enable or import the token. That's it! Your BTCBULL token claim is complete. If you run into any issues along the way, feel free to reach out to the BTCBULL team for support.